Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix unable to pin apps and programs to taskbar in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to select the start icon and select all apps. Find the app you want to add in taskbar. Just right click on it and select more and select pin it to taskbar. If this method doesn't work for you, then let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type gpedit.msc. Click on open it. Under user configuration, expand the administrative templates and select the start menu and taskbar. On right side, you just need to find do not allow pinning programs to taskbar. Just double click on it. Set this to not configured and select apply and OK for save changes. And now select do not allow pinning store apps to the taskbar. Just double click on it and set this to not configured and select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to close stuff here. Now you can able to pin apps in taskbar guys, and that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.